Hi folks, welcome to MTS. Today we're on location at the Grange Railroad Museum and Learning Center in Grange, Kentucky. Got quite a few layouts, nice little hometown show, great little feel. Here we're featuring also my Lionel Operating Club post-war 1948 layout. Got several vendors here. Nope.
Oh, thanks for getting us there.
The weather was perfect despite some gusty winds. We got to see 3 trains throughout the day and even saw the CSX Western Maryland Heritage engine. This was one of the first shows under the new management of the train museum. While I didn't get a chance to go inside, they have a few restored static displays on the grounds and additional layouts and railroad artifacts inside. Grange has had an extended history with the railroad and features one of the few remaining street-running trains in the U.S. You can always check that out on the virtual railfan Grange Livecam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the line.